Hi children, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with some new problems from your textbook. Equations reducible to linear form. Equations reducible to linear form. From your class 8th. Exercise number 2.5 and page number 66. Exercise number 2.5 and page number 66. This lesson is for class 8th. So your first sum reads like this: z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equal to 8. So what you need to do is you have to take LCM and you have to add the numerator. So what is your LCM? 6 is your LCM. 2 3 ja and 3 into z 3z. 3 2s are 2 into z 2z. Plus is there. Here minus 6 ones 6 and z into 1 z is equal to 8. 3z plus 2z. How much? 5z minus z. 5z minus z 4z is equal to, let us take this 6 to other side. Here it is dividing. Other side it will multiply. 8 6 ja how much? 48. 8 6 ja how much? 48. So 48. So z is equal to 48 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 12 ja. So your z is equal to 12. I think you understood how to solve this type of a question if it is given. So now let us check second sum. What is the second sum? The second sum reads x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. What is LCM for 3 and 4? 12. What is LCM for 3 and 4? 12. 3 4 ja 4 into x 4x. 4 3 ja 3 into x 3x. What is the sign here? Minus 3x is equal to 14. 4x minus 3x x is equal to, let us take this 12 to other side. 14 into 12. So let us multiply. 14 4 ja 48. 8 4. 12 4 ja 48. 8 4. 12 1 ja 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 16. So x is equal to 168. I think you understood how to solve if this type of a question is given. So let us take another example. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. What I do, I take this x by 3 to this side and transfer this 1 by 4 to this side. Then what happens? X by 2, here what is the sign of x by 3? Plus. If you change to this side, it becomes minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So what is your LCM for 2 and 3? 6. 2 3 ja and 3 into x 3x. 3 2 ja 2 into x 2x. Clear? Is equal to, let us take LCM for these two. 4. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. 4 1 ja 4 into 4 1 ja and 1 into 1 1. 3x minus 2x how much? X by 6 is equal to 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. What I do, I take this 6 to this side. Here it is dividing. Here it will multiply. X is equal to 3 by 4 into 6. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So what is x? 9 by 2. X is equal to 9 by 2. So this is your answer. X is equal to 9 by 2. This is your answer. So now let us do another sum. This sum is 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. What do we do? Let us do cross multiplication. What is the meaning of cross multiplication? You should multiply this numerator by this denominator, and you should multiply this numerator by this denominator. So 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. 3 2 ja 6x. 3 3 ja 9 minus 9 is equal to minus 2 into 3x minus 6x minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4. Let us take this 6x to this side and let us take this number 9 to this side. 6x here minus, if it comes here it becomes plus. 6x plus 6x is equal to, this is a minus 9. If it goes there, it becomes plus 9. This is minus 4. 9 minus 4 means how much? 5. 6 plus 6, 12x is equal to 5. Or x is equal to 5 by 12. Clear? Now you understood how to find the value of the variable by reducing the information given to you. Now, this is your next sum. X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. What is given? X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. So here let us take LCM and add. LCM for 6 and 9 will be 18. It will be what? 18. 6 3 ja, 3 into this, 3 into x plus 5, now minus 9 2 ja, so 2 into x plus 1. So let us simplify the left hand side. Let us multiply 3x plus 15 minus 2x minus 2 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. So this 2 2 ja and 2 9 ja. 3x minus 2x, x 15 minus 2, 13 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 2. Now let us do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means what? You have to multiply x plus 3 by 9 and you have to multiply x plus 3 by here 13. 15 minus 2, 13. Clear? You have to multiply this x plus 13 by 2. So x plus 13 by 2, x plus 13 into 2 how much? 2x plus 26 is equal to 9 into x plus 3. 9 into x, 9x plus 9 into 3, 27. So what we do, let us take this 2x to this side and take this 27 to this side. Clear? So 9x minus 2x is equal to 27 minus 26. 9x minus 2x means what? 7x is equal to 27 minus 26 how much? 1. Or x is equal to 1 by 7. X is equal to 1 by 7. Clear? So now, here you have one more sum. What is this? 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. To make the simplification easier, what we do, let us take this term to this side and this term to this side. So what happens? 3t plus 1 by 16, here this is a plus. If you bring this minus, t plus 3 by 8 is equal to, here this is minus, if it goes there it becomes plus 2t minus 3 by 7 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. Here LCM is what? 16. So 3t plus 1 minus 8 2 is 16. So 2 into t plus 3. Here your LCM will be 14. 7 2 are 2 into this. 2 into 2t minus 3. 14 1 ja 1 into this. 3t minus 1. Clear? So you are, if you open this, 3t plus 1 minus 2t minus 6 by 16 is equal to 2 into 2, 4t minus 6 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. 2 8 ja, 2 7 ja. 3t minus 2t, t. Plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 4t plus 3t, 7t. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Clear? By 7. You can cancel this 7 and this 7, here 1. Now take this 8 to other side. T minus 5 is equal to 8 into t, 8t, 8 into minus 8. So let us take this t to this side and let us take this number to this side. 8t minus t is equal to 8 minus 5, or 7t is equal to 8 minus 8 minus 5, 3, or t is equal to 3 by 7. Clear? Understood? So I think you understood today's all those sums. So tomorrow again I come up with some new sums. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.